Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics and a quick update on the crypto sector. Obviously, a lot of folks out there concerned because the crypto pricing has been thoroughly slaughtered. It's almost like each month it gets pummeled down a little farther. You wonder how much more it could go. But again, from an investment standpoint, if you're looking at the long run anyway, and I'll factor this in, I couldn't give you the first clue where Bitcoin will be trading next month. Yet what I do look at is the way cryptos are being adopted. Do they fill a valid business case? And because if so, again, the main reason I got into cryptos was seeing that well, you can debate whether the cryptos are valid or not. To me, if anyone wants to debate whether the dollar is a valid currency or not, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to bring you on the show, and maybe there's something I'm missing. But again, when kind of what I'm expecting with the pricing is that whenever we do reach further chaos with the dollar and some sort of break point similar to gold and silver, I think we'll necessarily be needing to use cryptos. And here is the latest interesting story. Pay taxes with Bitcoin. Ohio says sure. So again, I get it. There are a lot of people who don't see cryptos as currency, and sure, they won't be using it right now. But here, the state treasurer, Josh Mandel, I do see Bitcoin as a legitimate form of currency, adding he hoped others would follow suit. And again, the idea to accept digital currency for taxes. So certainly that's a legitimate data point if you can pay your taxes with it. How this filters, and here we see Arizona, Georgia, and Illinois have considered Bitcoin for taxes, but bills have stalled in their state legislature. So again, not to say that it's widespread adoption yet, but when you think about, again, my view is predicated on the current dollar system has to come to an end at some point. What do we use when that's replaced? When that happens, precious metals and cryptos still seem far and away the two most feasible candidates to me. It's interesting. Did interview the one of the guys from the Dash team who mentioned in Venezuela where they're already experiencing the currency crises. They're using Dash and other cryptos as currency because there's what finance guys like me think should happen, or entrepreneurs think should happen, and then there's the way that the world reacts. And so anyway, I thought this was an interesting story just to pass that along, and I understand it's difficult times for the cryptos, but should I receive a large pile of money today for new investment funds? Certainly at these low levels, as much as they've been beaten up, I would be a buyer of cryptos here. Again, that's not legal financial advice, just sharing what I would do, actually am doing. I did have a small deposit, which I'm using to buy Dash. So again, make your own decisions, but just something to think about. Leave your comments below. Happy to answer any questions you have, and thanks for watching.